In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the paused problem in the Chrome browser. Have you ever been in the middle of browsing only to find that your downloading stops or videos pause unexpectedly? It can be quite frustrating. Well, worry no more because we'll walk through a simple solution to get things back on track. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your device. Once you're there, you'll want to ensure that you're signed in to your Google account. You should see your profile picture in the upper right corner of the browser window. If you're not signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to do so. This is important because Google's syncing features are tied to your account. Next, we want to access your account settings. Click on your profile picture or the circular icon at the top right of your Chrome browser to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to a new page dedicated to your Google account settings. Once you're on the Google account page, you'll notice several tabs on the left. We need to navigate to the Privacy and Personalization section. Clicking here opens a new set of options all dedicated to your account's privacy and data. Now, scroll down until you find Activity Controls. Here, you'll see choices regarding various types of data syncing, including web and app activity, location history, and device information. Ensure that web and app activity is set to On. When this feature is enabled, your activity across Google services stays in sync, reducing those interruptions you've been experiencing. With web and app activity confirmed to be on, the next step is to adjust your Chrome sync settings. Head back to your open Chrome window and click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner for the main menu. From this drop-down list, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the section labeled You and Google. Under here, find and click on Sync in Google Services. This section allows you to make adjustments to what parts of your Google data get synced across devices. In the Sync settings, make sure the feature is turned on and that all necessary data types are selected. Data types might include bookmarks, passwords, history, and more. Any crucial activity should be checked to ensure a seamless browsing experience. Lastly, to implement all of these changes, simply restart your Chrome browser. Close it entirely and then reopen. This refreshes all the settings and should resolve the pausing challenges you've been facing while using Chrome. There you have it. A simple yet effective method to fix the paused problem in your Chrome browser. With everything in order, you should now enjoy uninterrupted browsing and media streaming. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.